Actually, I'm not really sure what to do with my hair right now. Ignore the Lion King in the background, but I have about 20 to 30 minutes to decide, and I don't know. I was gonna do a bun, but I can't find. There is this tie that I put in the front when I have a bun, and my hair is not fully straight and slicked down, and I don't want to put any gel in it because I'm getting it done tomorrow. So now I don't know. Oh, okay. I think I'm just going to try to pineapple it. Okay.
These 2 words will solve all your problems. That's right. Take Pumbaa, for example. Why, when he was a young warthog.
When I was a young warthog. I'm going to see Lion King, by the way, so I guess my hair is perfect for it.
And it hurt. My friends never stood downwind.
I haven't done this in a long time. This is difficult.
Changing my name. What's your name? And I got downhearted. How did you feel every time that I Pumbaa? Not in front of the kids. Oh, sorry. Hakuna Matata.
What a wonderful phrase. I look like Sideshow Bob. Y'all, let me go in the mirror. I'll be back. It means no worries for the rest of your days. It's a trouble. Oh, I don't remember the words. Philosophy. Hakuna Matata.
Rise and shine, gotta get the day started. Sun beaming in my face as the blessings keep falling.